What you saying, girl? What are you saying? I don't know what that means. And what are you saying? You want your breakfast now? Right now? Today you want breakfast? Right now. I'm going to go get it. Yes, I'm going to get that breakfast. Right now. I'm going to do it. I'm going to get that breakfast. Because you hungry. Yes. Yes, you are hungry. I can scream too. You're not the only one. You're not the only one. You're not the only one, little girl.